you're gonna reap 80 to 90% of the benefits of eating enough calories and enough protein. But if you really wanna maximize that, the answer to your question Bang bang guapo gang, back with another video, man. I put the camera a little higher today. I want to see how that looks. I'm gonna try it out. Comment down below if you like the camera a little higher. But to get on with the video, how many times a day should you eat to maximize muscle growth? And my main sources that I got my information from: Greg Doucette, Dr. Lane Norton, 2016 studies from Harvard University, and the University of Nottingham. So those are my four main sources where I got my information from. And at the end of the day, as long as you're not prolonged fasting, because prolonged fasting, study after study shows it does start to break down muscle. And as you guys know, I was a huge fan of prolonged fasting. If you look at some of my old videos, and I'm always learning something new. I'm always trying to increase my knowledge, and I'm always looking at studies. So my opinion has changed on that, even though I did a ton of videos about fasting. But so basically, as long as you're not prolonged fasting, you're gonna reap 80 to 90% of the benefits of eating enough calories and enough protein. But if you really wanna maximize that, the answer to your question is 4 to 6 meals a day, every 3 to 5 hours. Now, I'm gonna go into why, but that's your short answer. 4 to 6 meals a day, every 3 to 5 hours. Now, every time you eat, muscle protein synthesis occurs, and basically, muscle protein synthesis, when you go to the gym, there's gonna be a really simple explanation of what it does. You go to the gym, you're working out, you're breaking down your muscle and your muscle tissue. Muscle protein synthesis repairs that muscle with protein and the essential amino acids. So basically, it's what you need to build muscle. After you break your muscle down, muscle protein synthesis fills your body with the essential amino acids. And every time you eat, you're spiking muscle protein synthesis. So that's why you want to eat 4 to 6 meals a day. And fun fact from the University of Nottingham is the harder you go in the gym, I just had a blank there. I just drew a blank. But this study showed that the harder you go in the gym, the more intensity you train with, the greater muscle protein synthesis is. So that's why you always hear Greg Doucette, and I got this from him, but that's why you always hear us say, train harder than last time. The more intense you go, in return, you get greater muscles, bigger muscles. Now, how much protein should you eat? 1.6 to 2.4 times your body weight. Once you start getting past 2.4 times your body weight, you start to get diminishing returns. Dr. Lane Norton made this graph. Hopefully you can see that. If you can't see it, I'll put it up. Really simple graph. Basically, once you start getting over 2.4 times your body weight, you're gonna get diminishing returns. It's not really worth it. And so exercise breaks down the amino acids. So eat after exercise to replenish your muscles. So to sum everything up, muscle protein synthesis repairs the muscle damage you do in the gym. You train harder, and muscle protein synthesis increases. Eat 4 to 6 meals a day, every 3 to 5 hours, and 1.6 to 2.4 times your body weight is how much protein you should eat. And that's all for today's video. Eat 4 to 6 meals a day with lots of protein. Bang, bang. Oh wait, also, I have a lot of videos on my channel on how to improve, how to gain muscle, all that good stuff, losing weight. I have some entertainment videos, some collaborations. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you left a thumbs up. Maybe even left a comment, really helps out the algorithm. Consider subscribing. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bang, bang, guapo, out.